Hi guys, Misilla here. So we're going to show you an easy recipe to make sugar water for the hummingbirds. This is a great fall and winter project to do with your kids to get them in touch with nature and bring nature closer to you. So we are going to need 2 cups of water and half a cup of sugar. You'll just bring this to a boil and mix it together, stir it while it's cooking for about 2 minutes. So you just boil it for 2 minutes. Good job, thank you. And let it cool completely before you put it in your hummingbird feeder. So stir your water and sugar solution until the sugar is all dissolved. Bring it to a boil for 2 minutes, then let it cool down completely before putting it in your hummingbird feeder. And make sure you have a parent helping you.